We will guide you through how to make AutoCAD full screen. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. If the AutoCAD window is not already maximized, click the Maximize button in the upper right corner. Press Ctrl+0 or type Clean Screen in and press Enter to enable clean screen mode and hide the ribbon, toolbars, and palettes. Next, press Ctrl+9 to hide the command line and increase the available drawing space. Click inside the command line, type Navbar, press Enter, click Off, and press Enter again to hide the navigation bar. If you want to display it again later, repeat the command and click on Instead. Type NavCube Display in the command line. Press Enter, type 0, and press Enter to hide the view cube. Then type UCS icon, press Enter, type Off, and press Enter to hide the UCS icon. If you want the UCS icon to appear again, type UCS icon, press Enter, type On, and press Enter. Double-click any ribbon tab, such as Home, to enable the ribbon auto-hide feature and provide additional drawing space, while keeping the ribbon accessible when needed. Whenever you want to exit clean screen mode, press Ctrl+0 again, or type Clean Screen Off, and press Enter. Press Ctrl+9 again whenever you want to display the command line. Finally, save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S. Your AutoCAD workspace is now optimized with more drawing space for improved visibility and productivity.